Hello and good morning. You can read the joke of the day while I switch colors here. I don't think I'm going to get it any thinner. That's kind of cheesy, of course, but what are we going to do? Go over the homework today, naming alkanes. I bet you thought they were fun, I hope. Introduce alkyl halides. It's basically taking a halogen and putting it on one or more halogens and putting it on a hydrocarbon. And lastly, we'll have some more homework on just naming alkanes. We won't get into naming the alkyl halides yet. So tonight we'll do more of the same from last night. Okay? So let's take a look. The homework was on this sheet. You have to do that one. I also want to reintroduce the condensed formula. The condensed formula. So when we have condensed formula, that's just, this is structural formula, remember. Condensed formula is just showing the carbons and the hydrogens and whatever else is in there. Okay? So, just to recap, we'll do these other ones, but as far as the condensed formula goes, I've got this already numbered 1, 2, 3. We went over the logic of that last time. So in a condensed formula, I'm just going to write it down. CH3, CH3, that's the first one. Then CH. Then I write whatever the structural, whatever the substituent is, excuse me. So I've got CH3 here. Now sometimes you'll see that in parentheses. Don't let that freak you out. And then my third one. So this would be the condensed formula for 2-methylpropane. In order, CH3, there we go, CH. Now since there's only one H attached to it, it has to have 4, right? 4 bonds around it. So that means that that carbon is bonded to that carbon. That carbon is bonded to this hydrogen, there's 2. That carbon is bonded to this methyl group, that's 3. And then this carbon is bonded to that one. Okay? See if we can do this one. I've already got it named. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2-methylbutane. Butane meaning 4, and 4 is my longest chain. So we're going to start here. It's just going to be CH3. Then I've got a CH. Then a CH3. That's the one that's bonded off of the substituent that is bonded off of that carbon. And then CH2, that's the third carbon, and CH3. Okay? Again, sometimes you'll see it drawn like this. Either way, it's okay. Okay? So let's get to this one. Let's get to that one. Let's change color. All right. So, hopefully you got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 7 seems to be my long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7's my long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it does not matter which side I start on. So I might as well start on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 here. Okay, so what is this? This is the substituent, and it has 2 carbons. Reminder of your numbers. 1 is meth, 2 is eth. 3 is prop, 4 is but, 5 is pent, 6 is hex, 7 is hept, 8 is oct, 9 is known, 10 is dec. So we've got a heptane here. Okay? So, number 4, what is it? 2 means eth, and it's not ethane, it's ethyl. And my long chain, 4-ethyl heptane. 4-ethyl heptane. Okay, so let's try the condensed formula too. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. You might see this in parentheses, you might not. Let's put it in parentheses. CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay? Next one. Still green, good. This one here, what's my long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 seems to be the long. Okay? So, does it matter which way I count? Right to left or left to right? Well, let's take a look. I want my lowest combination of numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, I've got a 3, I'll put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got 3, 5. Or I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Which one am I going to choose? I'm going to choose the 3, 5. That gives me the lowest combination of numbers. So, I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now I've got my numbering. Which way, what comes first? Take that back. Which of the substituents is lower in alphabetical order? So I've got M for methyl. There's only one carbon here. And I've got 1, 2, 3 here. 3, remember, is prop. So what comes first, M or P? M does. So I've got 3 methyl, 5 propyl, that's a Y, and what's my long? 8. 5 propyl octane. Okay? 3-methyl 5-propyl-octane. Condensed formula on this is, we can do it. It's going to get a little messy though. Look how many we have to deal with. Actually, let's skip that for time. All right? If you have to do a condensed formula, it's probably not going to be this long. All right, let's try this next one. This one seems a little bit easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Nope. My long here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter which way I go here. Okay, so do I start here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would have 2 methyl groups on the third one. Or do I start over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to choose 2 over 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 should be on the carbon, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So what do I have as substituents? A CH3 and a CH3. So I've got 2 of them. All right, so I've got 2. And I have to name it each time. 2, 2. What are the groups? Methyl. How many are there? 2. What prefix do I use now? Di. 2, 2, dimethyl What's my long? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. 2,2-dimethylbutane. 2,2-dimethylbutane. Okay? We can do the condensed formula for this one pretty easily. CH3, C. CH3 twice. I've got 2 of them. Then I go to CH2, and then finally CH3. There's your condensed formula for it. All right? Last one on this page. We're going to end up having to do 2 videos because there's a lot today. Okay, let's think it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 seems to be my long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the long. Okay, is this on any one side or the other? 1, 2, 3, it's from 3 from left to right. 1, 2, 3, it's from left to right. So it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's still at number 3. So I might as well start on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do I have here? These are the substituents. 2 is ethyl. So what do I have? 2 of them, right? I name the number of carbon off of which they branch. 3, 3. How many do I have? 2 of them. Di. What are they? 2 carbons is ethyl. And then finally, what is my long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are all single bonded. So this is a pentane. 3,3-diethylpentane. 3,3-diethylpentane. Were we supposed to do that one? I think so. Okay. Let's go on to the naming ones. I wanted you to do 3,3-dimethylpentane. I think we just did that one, didn't we? Let's change colors. We might have to stop this pretty soon. I've got a minute and a half. We can do this one. So 3,3-dimethylpentane. I think you're going to find that the naming, when you have the name, it's easier to build them than the other way, but maybe that's just me. So pentane is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3,3-dimethyl. 1, 2, 3. This is a methyl. That's a methyl. And that's it. Fill it in with hydrogens. Pretty straightforward, yeah? Okay. 3-ethyl 2-methylheptane. This is a good reminder that you're going to put the substituents in alphabetical order. E comes before M. Okay? So heptane is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3-ethyl. Here's the third. Ethyl is 2. I'm going to chew into this part here, but you can stagger them. And 2-methyl. And then fill it in with hydrogens. Make sure each of these carbons has 4 lines around it, indicating it's 4 bonds. All right, second video coming up.